Hi, I'm meteorologist Tony Petrarca in the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. You've clicked on the Weather Now link on yet another gorgeous day looking at New Bedford as of about 3:30 in the afternoon. Sunshine, dry, temperatures generally in the lower 70s. As we take a look at our threat tracker, hope you made the most of today. And even tomorrow, the weather looks pretty good. No problems for this evening and Friday, but bumping things up to yellow on Saturday, a heads up of not only a widespread rain, but perhaps rainfall that's heavy. Getting some early indications now. The potential is there for 1 to 3 inches of rain. Some gusty wind as well, especially along the coastline. Watching a tropical system off the southeast coast of Florida, which will have actually a pretty big impact on the Carolina coastline, but we will get some of this residual moisture, if you will, and some wind from it coming up on Saturday. Even Sunday at this point doesn't look great, though Saturday would have the heavier rain and perhaps slightly stronger wind gusts. Satellite photo shows us the dry conditions across New England. Beautiful all around, courtesy of high pressure anchored over upstate New York and Pennsylvania. We'll take you down along the southeast coast, the Bahamas and Florida, and you can see there's an area of low pressure. And the Hurricane Center actually watching this as they're calling it a or actually rather a potential tropical storm. Potential, what do they call it, Steve? Potential
tropical cyclone.
Potential tropical cyclone. There we go. So this may develop into the next tropical storm. We'll keep an eye on it. You can see the counterclockwise circulation and the showers and thunderstorms increasing. All right, winds at 30 miles per hour. It's moving north at 8. So in terms of potential tropical storm here, it's a bigger concern for the Carolina coastline, North and South Carolina, and even Virginia and the Mid-Atlantic. By the time whatever's left of it gets up here, it wouldn't be a tropical storm anymore, but it certainly would bring some rain and some wind. So tropical moisture heads north. We take a look at one of our in-house computer models, and it shows the storm intensifying and making an impact along the Carolina coastline, North and South Carolina. That includes Virginia as well, looking at some heavy rain and some wind. And then the storm itself, the center of the storm weakens over land, but notice well ahead of it, it does throw back some moisture. You can see this is Saturday, and you can clearly see that we have widespread rain that is working in well ahead of the storm system, some gusty wind as well. And what's left of that low pressure center by Sunday morning near New Jersey weakens, but still moisture, clouds, and probably some lighter rain and some drizzle coming up on Sunday. So heavier rain, slightly stronger wind gusts on Saturday. It's more of a lighter rain and drizzle, but not a great day overall coming up on Sunday. Getting real close, and we're going to jump ahead over to as far as potential rainfall on Saturday. And, I mean, this is the last thing we need, obviously, with all the rain we've had this summer and recently. But our computers are kind of red flagging anywhere from 1.5 inches to 2.5, almost 3 inches of rain on Saturday. So this is something that we'll watch very closely. And there'll be some gusty wind. I don't think the wind is too outrageous, but we may see gusts up to 40 miles per hour along the South Shore and the islands on Saturday. In the meantime, it's cool, quiet this evening. No weather issues. Looking at temperatures by 11 p.m. dropping into the upper 50s. And overall, your Friday is pretty nice. Sunshine through some high thin clouds increasing. Cool start, 11 a.m. We're up to about 69 degrees. And much like today, in there around 72, 73 degrees with sunshine and just some high thin clouds, but otherwise quiet. The high surf advisory continues for today. Moderate risk of rip currents on Friday, but the beaches are partly sunny and dry. Air temperature at 70, water temp in the upper 60s. So wrapping it up, decent weather now through Friday. Widespread heavy rain and some gusty wind on Saturday. Not a nice day. Potential that a flood watch is issued for Saturday. We'll see. That's per the Weather Service. Rain not as heavy, but a gray, damp, and kind of a raw day on Sunday with lighter rain and some drizzle.